Okay, hi. This is a short unboxing video of the Honeywell Impact Sports Earmuffs in tactical black, and this is the new version, so this is the reason why I made this. Because after ordering and getting it, I bought it from Amazon. I wasn't sure if this is the real deal, if this is the originals, or maybe some counterfeit stuff. And as with everything that's mass-produced, there are also counterfeit things on the market. And I was able to find information on a dealer's website saying that this is the newest model with some images, but it took me quite some time because it was, I think, on some Facebook site to find it finally. And so I guess this is the original, and I will try to present it to you. This is not a review. I think there are enough reviews. So this is the European version. So it says Impact Sport Earmuff Tactical Black. This is the one that I ordered, but and we have here different languages and also basic instruction information on the back. It says CE 0333 and the made year and month, I guess, and also this is a little sticker that's on this package. This sticker was here, but I saw on the pictures from the dealer that it was, I think, on this side. So this is how the case looks. It's made of cardboard or paper, and this is how they look. Sorry, the book in the back is just so I know where my viewfinder is. So front, one side, other side, bottom, back with some information, top. It opens, and this is what we find. We find a manual, Impact Sport, with all the languages and all the information that you need. That's one thing that's in the box. Maybe I should zoom out a little bit. Okay. The next thing are the earmuffs themselves. It has a different logo on top. It doesn't have this picture of the face. It says Honeywell, Honeywell. Then you see on the side of it some information, EAC and mate number and date. And well, this is so okay. Maybe I get it closer by. This is how it looks. Then here upside down is this is the EAC and the production date. Now, if we what's left in the box are the batteries. I guess you don't see them. Oh, sorry. Okay, batteries, Duracell batteries, pair of them, and a cable for connecting to your mobile device, phone, Walkman, whatever it is that you're gonna use. If we take them and fold them, if you look closely, this is how it's on the box, and this is how it's in real life. It looks slightly different. The size of the logo Impact Sport is smaller than on the box. But once again, this is what I saw on the pictures from an authorized dealer. So I guess this is how it looks. You can't see it on film, I guess, but it doesn't look like this Impact Sport would be high quality. It looks to me a little bit like it could wear off quite soon, but maybe that's just the way it looks. It looks on camera better than in real life. It's like a little bit pale to me. So this is how they look internally, and well, that's all there is. The stitching is really nice. The materials feel high quality, to me at least. And the wheel, the rubber wheel that turns it on is smooth, so I don't see any problem there. And if we take apart the battery compartment, if we open it by pushing it up, what you will see is this sticker. It's a similar sticker, or maybe even the same. Yeah, it's the same sticker that's on the box. Here you see them side by side, and we have here QC Pass. Sorry, here it is. QC Pass sticker. That's all there is to it. You don't have any springs in here. You have just these latches, and the batteries. It says AAA size, 1,5 volt, and that's all there is to it. And there is a tiny little, but you can't see it, I guess, plus and minus symbol on both sides, so we know how to put the batteries inside. I didn't open them yet, and I don't intend to do so, but a short test with them, they work just fine. They increase the sound if I turn the volume all the way up. It was a very crisp, nice sound. Yeah, I guess this is all I wanted to share with you. Maybe it will help you, because the black ones are not that common, and I had a hard time to find any information if this is the real deal or if this is a fake or counterfeit thing. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.